Hey, what's going guys? Welcome to my channel Techy Man. In today's video, we will be seeing how we can use free VPN services in our mobile phone and get access to those blocked and banned websites and applications. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then sub to the channel will be awesome. And furthermore, we will be completing this video in 3 easy steps. In step 1, we will be downloading VPN app from Play Store, which is TunnelBear, and step 2 is to create account on TunnelBear and connect to the VPN site, and step 3 we will be browsing very effectively using that VPN. So let's get started. So guys, I'm here on my mobile screen, and the first step is to download TunnelBear VPN app from the Play Store app. So for that, just click on the Google Play Store icon and go to the search button and search for TunnelBear, and it will pop out here like this, and just click on install and it will start installing. And guys, after your installation is completed, just tab here on the open tab, and after then TunnelBear app will be opened, and it will generally automatically connect to the fastest VPN site. Just click here fastest, and it is connecting right here, and you can see there it has been connected to the Indian VPN server. And if you want to other countries VPN server also, you can do that. You can just go here in the section and choose any country you want. Okay, I will choose here Brazil. Then now it is connecting to the Brazil. You can see here it is connected to the Brazil. So furthermore, if you tap on that simple 3-line icon, then you can see here the get free data button, and if you click that, then if you really invite a friend or tweet about TunnelBear or install TunnelBear in your computer, then you will get 1000 MB. Okay friends, as you have seen how easily we can use free VPN app in our mobile device and surf whatever websites we like and whatever applications we like. So if you really like this video, then please hit that like button, and today's like target is 20 likes. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel till now, then please subscribe to the channel and get notified about interesting videos like this.